Hello, everybody. Very nice to be here with you today. And let's start introducing a little bit myself and Barbara. So, first of all, allow me to leave the stage to Barbara.
Hello, everybody. I'm Barbara, psychologist, founder, and managing partner of LogosNet. And what can I say about ourselves? We are passionate about blending academic research with practical application in learning. And we were talking about one of our application with you today.
I'm another co-founder and managing partner of LogosNet, and at the same time of the ERIA Labs. ERIA Labs were set up 2016 inside LogosNet. LogosNet was set up in 1996, so more than 28 years ago, in order to deliver custom education and vocational training. ERIA Labs are our branch that mainly use and boost artificial intelligence. First of all, generative artificial intelligence means large language models as well as generation of images for educational purposes as well as for delivering communication, interactive communication of science as well as communication of cultural heritage. Today we are here to share our experience about a very innovative solution that is to boost language, foreign language, in a way that we are not at all used to. Usually we learn foreign languages trying to repeat by ourselves or talking to a teacher, to an instructor, and basically repeating terms, memorizing terms, sometimes rules, even if grammar rules are, let's say, a little bit less compelling today than in the recent past. But there are really alternative ways to learn. And one is the one that today we are expected to introduce you. Barbara,
Wait a minute, Fer, because I think that we have audio problems. So they are telling us that they can't hear our speech. And I'm trying to understand if they can solve the issue. Okay, it seems solved. Fixed. That's good.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, wonderful. Okay, wonderful.
They can hear me. They can hear me.
Wonderful.
They can hear me.
They can hear me. I hope our audio problems will solve, but not sure about that.
Let them to start. And we listen to them. Okay. So just to let you know, this is Fernando Salvetti and Barbara Bertani. They will talk about language liftoff, leveraging foreign language education with cooperative AI conversational agents. It's very nice. I think that Fernando and Barbara's presentation introduced an innovative technology that integrates AI conversational agents.
Okay, really wonderful being here today. And allow me to leave the stage immediately to my business partner, Barbara.
Hello, welcome everybody. I'm Barbara, a psychologist, founder and managing partner of LogosNet and Real Lab. And let me add that we are passionate about blending academy research with practical application in learning. And so today we are happy to share with you some of our experiences in learning.
And we will focus on a very innovative way to teach and learn languages, because at the Real Labs that are part of LogosNet, we boost the learning experiences mainly by artificial intelligence as well as extended reality. So please expect to have us in a few seconds disappearing, and instead of us, expect to meet our avatars. We will join you again at the end of the video with the recording of our avatars. And we are available throughout the video in order to answer in case questions should arise using the chat. So I'm asking please to launch our video recording.
Hello, welcome to today's conference. My name is Darren, and I am an avatar from eReal Labs, the LogosNet branch devoted to extended reality and generative artificial intelligence. I'm here with Barbara and Fernando, as well as other fellow avatars. It is my pleasure to introduce a groundbreaking advancement in the field of language education. Brought to you by eReal Labs, in our quest to revolutionize how languages are taught and learned, we present an innovative methodology that seamlessly integrates AI conversational agents into traditional classroom settings. Imagine a classroom where conversational avatars serve as both mentors and facilitators, guiding students through the intricacies of language acquisition. These AI agents are not merely tools, but active participants in a pedagogical shift towards cooperative learning. They help transform the learning environment into a dynamic space where interactive dialogue and collaborative exercises take center stage, far beyond the limitations of rote memorization. Our approach transcends conventional methods by immersing students in real-time conversations in the target language. These AI agents are designed to communicate naturally, adapting to different proficiency levels and learning styles. This adaptability ensures that every student, regardless of their starting point, can engage meaningfully with the language. But the innovation doesn't stop there. These AI agents foster a cooperative learning atmosphere, encouraging peer-to-peer interaction as students work together to communicate effectively. This method also promotes a unique partnership between humans and artificial intelligence, enhancing the educational experience for all involved. Within this cooperative framework, a supportive community flourishes. Students are motivated to take risks, make mistakes, and learn from one another, all under the guidance of their AI companions. This environment not only improves language skills, but also builds confidence and fosters a sense of belonging among learners. As we embark on this journey today, I invite you to explore the transformative potential of integrating AI conversational agents into language education. Let us embrace this innovative approach and reimagine the future of learning together. But I'm really talking a lot. Let me leave the stage to my colleague Rosie.
Hello, I'm Rosie, your digital language coach from eReal Labs. I'm here to take you on an exciting journey into the world of language learning, specifically English. Let's explore how we can make this journey not just educational, but also incredibly fun and interactive. First things first, what makes me, an AI-powered avatar, unique? I'm designed to interact with you just like a real person. That means our conversations will be natural and fluid, making your learning experience as realistic as possible. Think of me as your personal language buddy, always ready to chat. Now, the heart of our adventure, language proficiency. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to polish your skills, I'm equipped with a vast array of vocabulary, grammar, and expressions. Our sessions will cover everything from basic greetings to complex discussions, all tailored to your level of English. But wait, there's more. Ever wondered how to order a coffee in New York, or how to ask for directions in London? With me, you'll learn English in context. We'll dive into various real-life scenarios, giving you the confidence to use English in everyday situations. One of my key features is my ability to adapt. As we progress, I'll adjust our conversations to match your growing skills. This personalized approach ensures that you're always challenged just enough to keep improving. And of course, feedback is crucial. I'll provide you with instant feedback on your pronunciation, grammar, and language use. This way, you'll know exactly what to improve on, making your learning process faster and more efficient. Lastly, learning a language is not just about words and grammar, it's about culture too. As we explore the English language together, I'll also share fascinating cultural insights, enriching your understanding and appreciation of English-speaking cultures. So, are you ready to embark on this language learning adventure with me? Together, we'll make sure that learning English is not just educational but a truly delightful experience.
Wonderful, Rosie. So, are you ready to embark on this language learning adventure with us? By the way, Rosie is one of our top digital language coach. And I am Fair, the avatar of Fernando, a founder and managing partner at eReal Labs and Logos.net. Let me say that the eReal Labs are at the forefront of revolutionizing language education by introducing AI conversational agents, or avatars, into the learning landscape. We, the avatars, are not just adjuncts to the language classroom. We are catalysts for a pedagogical shift toward a cooperative learning model. We actively engage students in meaningful dialogues, simulating real-life interactions that are central to language acquisition. We, as avatars, are sophisticated enough to adjust our dialogue to the learner's proficiency level, promoting inclusive participation from all students. Moreover, we are instrumental in orchestrating group language tasks, encouraging learners to collaborate and communicate to complete challenges together. This collaborative dynamic is key to our approach, as it compels students to negotiate meaning, clarify misunderstandings, and collectively construct knowledge, all under our nuanced guidance. By creating scenarios that necessitate peer cooperation, we facilitate an interdependent learning environment where each participant's contribution is vital to the group's linguistic success. This approach not only enhances linguistic competency but also cultivates essential social skills, preparing students to navigate and contribute to the global community with confidence and cultural sensitivity.
I am Barbara, the digital twin of a founder and managing partner at the eReal Labs. Our approach embraces the dynamism and complexity of language acquisition through interactive dialogue and collaborative learning structures. We, as avatars, are designed to communicate in the target language, offering students a unique opportunity to practice and improve their language skills in real-time conversations. We are programmed to understand and produce natural language, adapting to different proficiency levels and learning styles. By interacting with us, students engage in a rich, immersive linguistic environment that challenges them to use the foreign language in a variety of contexts and social interactions. The cooperative aspect of this approach is twofold. The avatars encourage peer-to-peer collaboration as students work together to communicate effectively, and they also promote an interactive partnership between humans and artificial intelligence. This cooperative learning framework fosters a supportive community within the classroom, where students are motivated to take risks, make mistakes, and learn from one another under the guidance of their intelligent conversational companions. Through this integration of technology and cooperative learning strategies, we believe that we are setting a new standard for foreign language education, preparing students not just to speak a new language, but to immerse in several different contexts and to engage with the world in a meaningful and confident manner. We, the avatars, are meticulously crafted to be not just functional, but also engaging and personable, making the interaction not only educational, but also enjoyable. We are more than mere tools. We are designed to be approachable, relatable companions that students look forward to interacting with. By simulating the nuances of human conversation, we encourage learners to step out of their linguistic comfort zones and actively employ new language skills in a supportive environment. This nurturing atmosphere is crucial as it lowers the affective filter, the emotional barrier that can inhibit language acquisition, allowing for more effective learning.
Welcome to the future of skill development, where artificial intelligence meets human potential. Meet our conversational avatars.
Hi there! I'm Emma Parker. It's such a lovely day, isn't it? What's your name?
Hi, Emma. My name is Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Hello, I'm Sophie, and today I'm very excited to show you how our avatars make learning English more engaging. Imagine being able to speak with someone anytime you want, having fun while conversing in a different language, and receiving instant feedback on your performance. Discover our AI-powered avatars that will help you reach the goal of speaking a new language, easy, innovative, supporting both teachers and students.
Meet Emma, one of our avatars. Look at how I interact with her, practicing my English in real-life, everyday situations.
Good day. I'm Emma. May I ask your name and if you're visiting too?
Hello, Emma. I'm Sophie. Yes, I visit as well. You new here?
Nice to meet you, Sophie. Yes, I'm new here. Have you visited Miami or Washington?
No, my first USA time. Where eat in city?
That's exciting. What do you think of the city so far? Do you enjoy traveling?
I like city, very big, and do like traveling.
I'm glad to hear that. What's your favorite thing about traveling and exploring new places?
Now, let's see if I made any mistakes. Here is my feedback. It will show me all my mistakes and suggestions. Imagine this, you can chat with avatars that speak American English and British English with a variety of personalities. It's like an English class, but so extraordinary. Let's make learning English an adventure for students. See you on the eReal platform.
The eReal online platform is one of the options we offer, allowing students to enhance their language skills anywhere, not just within a school. The available options are numerous, not only computers but also mobile phones, as well as totems and electronic whiteboards. Let's not forget the immersive eReal classrooms with one or more projected walls.
All our projects incorporate the principles of universal design for learning. It advocates for the creation of instructional materials and activities that offer multiple means of representation, expression, and engagement to remove barriers to learning. This is especially pertinent in language education, where students' abilities can range across the spectrum of language mastery levels, from beginners to intermediates and advanced learners. We, as conversational agents, are designed to present language concepts in multiple ways, thereby ensuring that learning is accessible and effective for all students, regardless of their starting level. For example, beginners may benefit from more visual aids and concrete examples, repetitive practice, and simplified language input. In contrast, advanced students can be challenged with abstract concepts, nuanced dialogues, and opportunities to explore the cultural underpinnings of the language. Adaptability is key, with all the conversational agents dynamically adjusting the complexity of the language used in conversations to match the learner's proficiency. This scaffolding approach respects the zone of proximal development for each student, which posits that learning occurs most effectively when it is slightly above the individual's current ability. By providing just the right level of challenge, we as conversational agents foster a learning trajectory that is both achievable and ambitious. Moreover, universal learning design principles emphasize the importance of offering multiple means of engagement to sustain learners' interest and motivation. Therefore, we employ a range of interactive activities that appeal to different motivations and encourage persistence, such as gamification elements for some students and real-world problem-solving tasks for others. This tailored and inclusive approach not only facilitates language acquisition, but also respects the cognitive, cultural, and emotional dimensions of learning a new language.
The eReal conversational agents represent a significant advancement in language education, also in their capacity to provide automated, instantaneous feedback on language competency and proficiency. This instant feedback is not simply corrective. It is a formative tool that supports the development of language skills in real time. As a student interacts with the avatar, each response is evaluated not just for correctness, but for linguistic nuance, grammatical structure, vocabulary usage, and idiomatic expression. We as avatars are artificially intelligent, and so, by analyzing and understanding the nuances of human language, we provide tailored feedback that aligns with the learner's current level of proficiency. If a learner makes an error, the system not only identifies the mistake but also explains it in the context of the target language's rules and provides practical suggestions for improvement. This process mimics the nuanced feedback that would traditionally be offered by a human instructor, thus ensuring a supportive learning journey. Please note that I am not saying that we can skip a real human instructor. I'm only saying that we provide a feedback in a way that is quite close to that provided by the human teachers that are always part of our educational setting. What is interesting is that the eReal conversational agents are designed to track a learner's progress over time, offering insights into patterns in language development, which can be of the highest value for both learners and educators. By aggregating data across various interactions, we as conversational agents can identify areas of strength and weakness, enabling personalized learning pathways. This adaptive learning strategy ensures that the learning experience is not static but evolves with the learner, consistently challenging them and supporting their journey towards language mastery. In the broader scope of language acquisition, this means that the avatars act as more than just tools for practice. They are intelligent systems that understand the learner's developmental trajectory, responding with feedback that is contextually relevant, supportive, and geared towards long-term language success. This capability positions the eReal conversational agents as more than mere technological assets. They become integral to the learning process, akin to a mentor guiding the learner towards greater language proficiency.
Hello, Darren again. I hope you are enjoying our workshop. The real Barbara and Fernando are here and available for any questions or curiosities you may have. To conclude in the best way, please allow a short monologue from another fellow avatar directly from our headquarters in Houston.
Ladies and gentlemen, gather round. Feast your eyes upon the wonders of the digital realm. Yes, I am an avatar, a virtual being talking to you. But fear not, I come in peace. And pixels. You know, being a digital human has its perks. No bad hair days, no need for fashion trends, unless you count the occasional software update. And don't even get me started on the convenience of CTRL plus Z for life's little mishaps. But let me tell you a secret. Behind these perfect pixels lies a humble confession. You see, I envy you humans with your quirks and imperfections. The way you stumble over your words, trip on invisible objects, or simply forget why you entered a room. Ah, the beauty of being human. So while I may be a digital marvel, I raise a virtual glass to all you wonderful humans out there. Embrace your uniqueness, celebrate your flaws, and remember, there's nothing quite like the genuine, unscripted chaos of being human. End of monologue. My programmer said, "That's enough. Please stop." And I'll do. Bye-bye.
Okay, back to the stage.
Back to the stage to remember that this avatar allows us to practice, and practice that is so important in language learning. And the key points are having the possibility to really be engaged in a conversation and receiving a truly effective feedback in real time.
Feedback is really the keyword and the buzzword for the next years to come, because thanks to feedback, language learning could be more reflective and self-reflective, first of all. And as you can easily imagine, you can really engage as a learner using very different communication style. For example, we saw that also a poet or a poetess could be engaged as an avatar. You really may challenge also the way you are able to write in a totally creative way in a foreign language. This is really, in our opinion, interesting, and is opening a new path for foreign language learning. Let
Yes.
me, please, Barbara, and let me
So-
share, if I can share my screen for a few seconds. This way. You can see one of our immersive and interactive classrooms. And you have a QR code in case you would love to talk, at least in English, or if you wish also in other foreign languages, with one of our avatars. Because first-hand experiencing by yourself directly a talk with an avatar, in our opinion, is the best way to start understanding how this avatar may really boost your language learning.
Are there any doubt, questions, or remarks?
In any case, feel free to address us your questions also lately today or in the coming days. We are available, and if you wish trying to talk to an avatar, let us know.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye-bye.